So this is the 67 Firebird 400 project. Putting new rear quarters on it, and then found out needed a new outer wheelhouse. Probably should have put the inner wheelhouse on the passenger side as well, but thought I could patch it. Then found out that the shock towers are rusted when I got the quarter off on the other side. And then you can see how they're rusted as well. So on the passenger side, new inner, new outer, new shock tower cap. Probably gonna have to do some structuring underneath as well because it's pretty rusty. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. I think this trunk lower part can be saved. But here's the shock tower piece. Pretty nasty. Once you start tearing stuff apart, it looks worse than you thought it was. So gotta get going on that. Just got it apart today. It's too cold to work on it for all day. So got the monolith springs. Not sure if that's a good option or if I should change to multi-leaf, but you know, got the rear quarter off. Got to trim up some pieces to get it to be able to put it back in. And yeah, it's a lot of work, more work than I really expected, but it'll be worth it in the end. So got the rear quarter there. It's all OER stuff, which so far to me looks to be pretty good stuff. Everything lines up well, so I haven't had an issue with it yet. So doors are pretty good shape. Got one small rust hole right here, which doesn't go inside the door. It's just like right at the front. It doesn't even go all the way through. So, but you know, it's a major project. The windshield is good, no rust underneath that, but I do have to replace the rear panel from the back window. It's rusted, so that's going, and also the rear tail panel wasn't rusted, but all dented up. Figured it'd be too much trouble to try to straighten all that out, and as long as I got it apart, might as well do it. So what I'm gonna do is get the other rear quarter on, get that all lined up, and then take the tail panel and the rear window section out. So it kind of keeps everything back the way the factory specs were, rather than maybe something moving when it's not supposed to. So more to come.